Presenting Fire-Boltt SpO2 FullTouch 1.4-inch smartwatch in the color blue. The Fire-Boltt smartwatch comes in 5 color variants of black, blue, gold, grey and pink. This smartwatch features a Full HD 2.5D curved glass display having a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels for a crispier view. The dial is provided with a wrist sense that turns the display on automatically. This watch features a sleek and fashionable metal body. With this smartwatch, you can experience 400 nits peak brightness to view everything clearly. The Fire-Boltt smartwatch has a display size of 1.4 inch. The smartwatch comes with an IPX7 rating, which protects it from rain, sweat or any liquid contact. Fire-Boltt smartwatch features a lithium-ion cell with a battery life of up to 8 days. The smartwatch connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth. This Fire-Boltt smartwatch features SpO2 function, which helps to monitor blood oxygen. The smartwatch comes with a heart rate sensor, which helps to monitor heart rate in real time during exercise. The smartwatch enables you to manage calls, control music and the camera. With this smartwatch, you can track 7 workout modes including walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football. The smartwatch helps to count steps, distance and calories burned. You can read weather forecasts with the help of this smartwatch. This product comes with a standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.